Why are cats so important to us? Throughout history, cats have been much more than pets. They've been our companions, inspiring respect, mystery, and affection. In ancient Egypt, they were considered sacred animals, symbolizing protection and prosperity. The ancient Egyptians kept cats as pets and even mummified them. In Japanese culture, the famous maneki neko, or lucky cat, became a symbol of good fortune. In medieval Europe, despite being unfairly linked to superstition, cats continued to be loyal companions in homes and farms. Today, cats are still an important part of our lives. Studies show that living with a cat can help reduce stress and anxiety. Their purring is not only soothing, but also therapeutic. Listening to a cat purr can lower blood pressure and create a sense of calm. Cats also provide unconditional companionship, especially for people living alone. That silent bond, which doesn't need any words, can be a true emotional refuge. And let's not forget about the practical benefits of having a cat. Since ancient times, cats have helped us protect our food from pests like mice and rats. And thanks to their independence, they're among the easiest pets to care for. They don't need daily walks, but they do need love, attention, and a safe space. Having a cat is not just a privilege, it's an opportunity to learn to appreciate silence, patience, and genuine affection. It's a chance to grow, to share, and to experience the calm that these wonderful animals bring into our lives.